Are you staring at a calendar packed with deadlines? You've got 3 assignments, a midterm next week, and you are literally drowning in pressure. You're pulling all-nighters, living on coffee, and even though you're working 24/7, it feels like you're going nowhere. Your grades are suffering, and that dream of acing your classes is disappearing. But what if I told you the top students have a secret weapon? What if they're using more than just brain power? Today, I am giving you the 9 free AI tools that will completely change how you study in 2025. And I'm not talking about useless apps. I'm talking about insane AI that can help you with research, outline your essays, and even build your presentations. These tools turn school chaos into easy, successful study sessions. By the end of this video, you will have all of them. Let's go. First up, at number 9, we have Otter.ai. This thing is your new best friend for lectures that are so boring or way too fast. Let's be honest, you zone out for 1 second and you miss something huge. Or your professor clicks through slides so fast you can't type anything. It's impossible to get it all. Otter.ai literally solves this. You open it on your phone or laptop, and it turns everything your professor says into a perfect transcript in real time. But wait, it gets crazier. It knows who's talking, adds timestamps, and even gives you a summary of everything important. Imagine walking out of a 2-hour lecture with perfect, searchable notes. You don't have to spend hours deciphering your terrible handwriting. You can actually study. The free plan gives you 300 transcription minutes a month. That's more than enough for your hardest classes. It's an insane advantage. At number 8 is a tool every single student needs, Grammarly. You've probably heard of it, but the free version is way more powerful than you think. Submitting an essay with typos and grammar mistakes is like throwing away free points. Your professor instantly thinks you don't care. The free version is insane. It does so much more than a basic spell check. It catches punctuation errors, fixes your clunky sentences, and helps you be more concise. It even has a tone detector to tell you if you're sounding confident or formal. Think of it as the final check before you submit. This is often the difference between B- and B+. Stop losing easy points on things this simple. Install Grammarly and let the AI polish your work while you focus on the big ideas. Coming in at number 7, we're getting serious with Writeful. While Grammarly is great for everything, Writeful is built specifically for academic and scientific papers. This AI was trained on millions of published journal articles, so it knows exactly what your professors want to see. Have you ever written something and just wished you could make it sound smarter? Writeful's Academizer feature literally takes your normal sentence and rewrites it in formal, academic language. It also has a title generator to help you brainstorm a great title and an abstract generator to get you started on that difficult summary. And the best part? It works right inside Microsoft Word and Overleaf, which is amazing for anyone using LaTeX. The AI gives you feedback right in your document. The free plan gives you access to these crazy features, making it a must-have if you're serious about your writing. At number 6 is an AI that's literally your writing partner, Jenny.ai. If you have ever stared at a blank page with no ideas, Jenny is your new best friend. This is insane. It helps you write. It doesn't write for you. So you stay original and don't get in trouble. Here's how it works. You give it a topic or just one sentence, and Jenny's AI autocomplete will suggest the next line to get you moving. But the craziest part is the research. You can upload all your research PDFs, and it will use them to give you context-aware suggestions and create perfect in-text citations in formats like APA and MLA for you. This makes the writing process so much easier. You don't need a dozen tabs open anymore. The free plan gives you 200 AI-generated words every single day, which is more than enough to smash through Writer's block or get a good start on your work. Okay, we are halfway through. I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, tell me which one of these tools you're going to download right now. I read every single comment, and I want to see what helps you guys the most. And if you want to get better grades, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the insane videos we have coming up. Okay, back to the list. Number 5 is PaperPal, and this is like an all-in-one super tool for students. I think of it as a grammar checker, a research assistant, and a submission tool in one. PaperPal is built just for academic writing, and it is incredible. Its language checks are designed for scholarly work, so your tone is always perfect. But a few of its features are just unbelievable for students. First, its paraphrasing tool is amazing for helping you integrate sources without plagiarizing. Second, the Chat with PDF feature is insane. You can upload a dense, 40-page research paper and just ask it questions like, "What was the main conclusion?" And it tells you instantly with citations. And third, its research feature lets you search for peer-reviewed papers right inside your document and add a citation with one click. PaPurple's free plan includes all these game-changing features, making it one of the most powerful free tools out there. For number 4, we are supercharging your research with Scholar AI. For any big project, finding credible sources takes forever. Scholar AI cuts that time from hours down to minutes. Scholar AI gives you an AI search engine connected to a massive database of over 200 million peer-reviewed academic papers. You can ask it super complex research questions in normal English, and it doesn't just give you links. It analyzes the papers, synthesizes the information, and gives you a summarized answer, complete with citations from the real sources. This is literally a shortcut to a killer literature review. You can quickly find counterarguments, see how research has changed over time, and discover papers you would have never found with a simple search. The free version is super generous and automates the most boring part of being a student. Okay, you have all these research papers. Now what? Number 3, Google Notebook LM is where the real magic happens. This isn't just another notes app. It's an AI-powered research assistant that becomes an expert on your material. Listen to this. You make a notebook and upload your sources, your class notes, those transcripts from Otter, and all your research PDFs. Once they're in, Notebook LM becomes an expert only on those documents. You can ask it anything, and it will answer based solely on the sources you provided, even giving you citations that link to the exact sentence. You can tell it, create a study guide with key terms, and it does. You can say, summarize what all my sources say about this topic, and it pulls it all together. It can even generate an audio overview, which is like a private podcast where two AIs discuss your study materials. Notebook LM is free, and it turns your notes into an intelligent study partner. Coming in at number 2 is the beast, Google Gemini. This is so powerful because it's built into everything you already use: Google Docs, Sheets, Gmail, and Slides. Everywhere. Can't start an essay? In Google Docs, just ask Gemini to create a detailed outline with a thesis statement for you. Boom. Done. Working on a group project? In Slides, you can tell Gemini to generate the entire presentation from a single prompt, complete with images and speaker notes. And get this, Google often gives eligible college students free access to advanced models and perks like 2 terabytes of storage. Using AI seamlessly inside your daily apps without constantly copy-pasting is a huge productivity win. It's the ultimate study buddy built right in, and the number 1 undisputed champion of all AI tools. Yes, ChatGPT. In 2025, the free version of ChatGPT is more powerful than paid tools were just a few years ago, giving you access to incredibly powerful models like GPT-4o. This is the ultimate Swiss Army knife for literally any student task. You can use it to brainstorm essay topics, explain complicated ideas in simple terms, write and debug code, summarize your notes, and even get personal tutoring by asking it to create practice problems and explain the answers. And because it can browse the web, its knowledge is always up to date. Its versatility is absolutely unmatched. While the free version has usage limits, the core functions are more than enough for most students. If you only master one tool from this list, it has to be this one. ChatGPT is, without a doubt, the single most valuable free AI tool a student can have. And there you have it, the top 9 free AI tools that are absolutely essential for surviving school in 2025. We've covered everything from transcribing lectures with Otter AI to doing insane research with Scholar AI, organizing it all with Notebook LM, and tying it all together with ChatGPT. The days of drowning in assignments are over. The secret is out. These tools are free, they are insanely powerful, and they are waiting for you right now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Now go revolutionize your studies. I'll see you in the next video.